As a landlord, imagine how great it would be if all of your tenants had guaranteed income and a guaranteed housing allowance. The government gives military service members a housing stipend during the entirety of their career. A lot of people have never heard of it. It's called BAH, or Basic Allowance for Housing. Stipends range between $1,500 to $2,900 a month. How much they get depends on their zip code, rank, and number of dependents. But this next part is really important. The government pays us rent directly, bypassing the service member. This guarantees the money will be wired on the first of each month, keeping cash flow consistent and netting us a much better total risk-adjusted return.